Hi, I'm Richard.
I'm Sodium. I'm Bruno G. Nairobi said gani?
Kuna Ujani Bamba.
No words, but actions.
Can you tell me your body count?
Nakuwa na shida ya mema.
Hi, I'm Richard from Multimedia University. I'm 22 years old. I'm here to vibe check, looking for someone who I can vibe with, and hopefully hope I'll get someone.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Rita.
Rita.
Yeah.
Can you give me a hug, please?
Yeah, sure.
You're cute, by the way. I couldn't resist that hug.
Thank you.
I'm Sodium,
I'm Rita.
and I've come here to look for my perfect match. And I hope so. I'll find. I think you're the one. Even if I don't know you, but I can feel it.
Okay, me too. I'm here looking for someone I can vibe with. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Nairobi.
Oh,
Where are you
me
from?
too. Me too.
From Nairobi.
Yeah.
Nairobi said gani?
Syokimau.
Syokimau. So we are neighbors.
Maybe.
We can have time so that we can hang out. What's your hobbies? Do you have any hobbies,
My hobby
talents?
is traveling. I like traveling a lot. Yeah.
Also me, I like partying. I'm a dancer, by the way. I can teach you how to dance. You look like a pretty good dancer.
Maybe I am.
I'm looking up to that. What do you look for in a man? What are you looking for?
Okay, I check the qualities of a man that I need, the things I need in a man.
Like money.
No, not everything's about money.
Why? Because many girls nowadays go for money. They have money.
Pesa ikiweza kupeleka pahali kubwa penye unafikiria. Pesa itaisha, unafaa uiache hapo pesa. For love, nakwanga tuna trust. Me, I'm looking for someone who I can trust, who's trustworthy, honest, and faithful, who can love me and accept the way I am.
I feel we are kind of like same. We are similar.
Okay, those are the qualities that I'm looking for.
I hope by the end of this session, we'll get to know if I'm the one or if you're the one.
Okay, maybe me too.
Can I get a 360 quick?
I don't mind.
Yeah. You're blessed. You're blessed.
Thank you.
Yeah. So after this session, we'll have to hang around and get to know each other better.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful lady.
Hi.
360. Wow. Look good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Have a seat.
Thank you.
I'm Kennedy.
And I'm Marita.
Wow. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
And young. Well, I'm a man of no words but actions. So by the time you accept me to be your main source of romance, I will take you to France. Then I hope you'll give me things in return. Is that okay? Wow. So commencement must be multimedia.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is are you seeing someone right now apart from me?
Nope.
How comes? You're supposed to see me first.
Okay, it's complicated, yeah, so complicated.
Complicated?
Yeah.
No, it's not complicated. I'm here for you.
Okay. So you got me.
Good. So I'm looking for someone actually to settle with.
Okay, as I said before.
Near future.
As I said before, I'm a student.
Yeah.
And I'm here as a to look for someone I can vibe with.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, that's all.
Actually, I take care of all your expenses, and also I can pay your school fees.
But so mnakwanga hivyo, but I don't trust every man I see because you
As
do lie.
as I told you, I'm a man of action.
We'll see about it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now, I hope you feel some no hurt.
Yeah, maybe.
So where do you see us 5 years come?
I see.
With 2 kids?
Not true. But are you in a rush?
Not in a rush or something.
You are.
No.
Actually, you are.
I'm looking forward to settle with you. Can't get tired of seeing you each and every time I get to the house.
Okay, you made me speechless. I have no words.
How?
Yeah.
There's love at first sight, and I think that one is what is confusing you right now.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
So, why are you here?
I'm here to look for someone to settle with.
And where are you looking for? Why? The reason being?
When God created the earth, He created two, Adam and Eve. I'm looking for my Eve right now, and I hope you're the one.
How long have you stayed single?
A lifetime.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know every man lies.
I don't think so.
Every man is trusted.
No, I don't think so. I've never found my Eve, that's why I'm here.
Maybe you'll find one.
You're the one.
Okay, maybe I am. Maybe I am. Maybe.
You're the one.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to see you. So,
Yes, and you see you too. Looking to hear from you.
Hi, Agmin. How are you?
hi.
So good. Naitwaje?
So Rita.
Naitwa Rita. Yeah, naitwa Bruno. Check out. I can see you're beautiful, but beautiful hair.
Thank
I
you.
can see. That's the boy.
So, what do you do for a living?
Look for a baby. Let's change bag. No ladies. Seems to be beautiful suspects. You see that?
Yeah.
Really clear. 100. But it's nice. Looking girl out.
Okay. So, I would like to know you more.
Know about
Everything about yourself.
life. Let's come something best. Boy.
Okay. Do you know why you're here? Why?
Oh yeah, just here to come to check by me. One of my baby wanna try to ditch down.
Let's talk like this. We're just pretending just because I'm here.
No, I just talk like this. It's like,
Why do you sound like...
No, I'm not sounding that.
Oh, you sound like a little bit... nervous, like...
Like a good is behavior is making me just vanish like, you know.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm good. To be boy. From
I'm from Nairobi. I'm here to look for someone who I can vibe with.
yo.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Arita.
You're Rita.
Arita.
Arita. Wow. I'm Charles. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Wow. So you're Rita. Arita. I hope you understand my accent. Yeah. Today you look nice. Nice to meet you. So what's a kind of a vibe napenda? Ama you can get in a moodless way at once?
But you know, first of all, unasema ukwe nini? No, at least send yako ya nini? As in baby yako inanisha na mimi nataka. So, sijui nikwambia aje, but I don't have words, but na venye
So it a pass.
pass.
Lakini so you must listen to somebody. Msikize.
Juu hata tujabonga hata 1 word 2. Ama ni nini nimesema useme pass?
My reason being is, as in the way to umeingia tu.
Lakini ni kama unatingizika.
No.
Cute girl doesn't do that.
Mwenye tu umeingia na itapass.
Itapass.
Pass.
So we can do 1 to 3 things we reason. Then yeah, next. Maybe inaweza kuuliza tu swali moja 2.
Okay, all ears to you.
So nikuulize, what's the worst thing yenye umepitia leo ama asubuhi ukiamka maybe kitu ikakupiga?
Nothing happened.
Nothing.
Nothing happened.
So go to.
Yeah, I'm just me.
But hujapea the full reason why ni umesema pass.
Okay.
Unacheki hata hujanisikiza.
Mwenye umeingia, umeingia ukiwa so down. Yes, yeah, you sound so down. Kuna vile hujanibamba. It's a no. It's a pass.
Confidence ama nini?
Yeah, confidence yako iko too low.
Niko na confidence low?
Yeah.
Hadi venye na keep eye contact.
Eye contact is not anything, but mwenye tu umeingia.
Lakini okay, for me unajua pia rating ni poa. Lakini pia unaogopa, unatingizika jamani.
I'm not nervous.
You're
I'm
nervous.
just me.
Okay, you're me. It's okay, you don't force.
I'm just me.
So that's the problem.
Yeah, ujanibamba mwenye tu umeingia. Mwenye tu umeingia, it was a no. I didn't like it.
Like ulikuwa unataka nikuje in a romantic way.
Yeah, you should, but the way you act.
Okay, sorry. Unajua there is character traits. You must explain yourself. For me, I don't see like simping.
Okay, wewe umeingia as in umeingia ni kama unapata na mtu mwenye unajua. Actually you don't know me. I just met for today. But when umeingia it's like you know me as in hivyo tu. Your confidence is so low. It's a pass. No.
So you can't fill that gap.
Nope.
I can't.
You can't.
Nisha sawa basi hamna shida.
Thank you for your time.
Now what if you can just communicate 1 to 3 things? Maybe
no, you just bored me the way you wewe tu umeingia kwa hiyo mlango.
What if I reverse, come back again?
No. No need. Okay, I got some questions to ask you, if you don't mind.
Let's get it.
Okay, if you don't mind, can you tell me your body count?
Honestly,
And you're supposed to be honest.
I'm honest.
Okay.
I don't count. Sijahesabu, but we can like let's say 5.
Let's say 5. So you're not sure?
5. Yeah, I'm not sure, but
You're not sure how?
nakuwa na shida ya memory.
Okay. Are you a committed lover?
It depends on my partner. I can't commit myself to someone who don't show interest to me. I am a caring person. I'm a loving person, but it depends in energy I'm getting.
Yeah. Okay. After how long in relationship do you demand a sex?
Meti nao tukipatana nao lazima.
Kwa nini? Am I supposed to open my legs to prove that I love you?
I know one thing. Sex is not love, but it's part of love.
But it's not a must. It's not there just. See, kama ni yako ni yako. You wait until the day utapewa.
Kama ni yangu nachukua.
Na you're not supposed to. As in, you're demanding. You're so demanding.
That's my nature.
Yeah. Okay. Does getting money change your taste in people?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
But why do I see like it's true?
Bado sijapata pesa. Tukipata pesa utajua.
Okay, that's all I had for today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Can we proceed?
Okay, if you don't mind, can you tell me your body count?
Na mwanameno vitu kama hizo nasawingi haraka.
Unaweza waje haraka.
Yes, na mwanameno.
So,
Kama hizo za kitambo naona sawa.
so you are telling me that ni mingi sana.
Si mingi. Na mwanameno vitu kama past wanasahau ni mwanameno.
Okay, are you committed lover?
Yeah.
How? Can you explain?
Physically, emotionally, financially, 100%.
Okay, after how long do you demand sex?
I don't demand for sex. We make love. You cannot demand to make love with someone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So, does money change your taste in people?
No,
Are you sure?
it can't.
Why do I feel like you're lying to me?
No, as long as we have good morals, be kind to people, polite to people, and humanity. That's all. Yeah.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Welcome.
I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't mind, can you tell me your body count?
Oh,
Be honest,
honestly, less than 3. Yep.
but you're not sure.
I'm not sure, less than 3.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, are you a committed lover?
I don't know.
Why?
Because I don't lie. I'm not into relationships that much. Yep.
Okay, after how long do you demand sex?
How long? A couple of months and again. No, it's quite finished.
Do you believe in sex?
Yeah.
Like it can do everything, love?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, does money change your taste in people?
Much, yeah. Because money is everything in this life.
Money is not everything.
Why?
It's not everything.
Why?
No, you can die and leave the money there.
Yeah.
So money is not everything. Okay, thank you for telling me. That was all that I had in mind.
Okay. Thanks for the conversation.
Okay, I'm glad that you answered. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, if you don't mind, can you tell me your body count?
My body count, 2.
I hope it is true.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you a committed lover?
Okay, it depends with your partner, but obvious I'm committed. If you give the energy I'm giving, yeah.
Okay, after how long relationship do you demand sex?
Okay, for me, si ati nini, lakini mimi naonanga mnapiga mechi ndio the less inakam.
Okay, you believe in sex that ukari sex no nini na bond, like nanga bond hapo, like fake open legs just prove to someone that you love him.
In nowadays, si ati hii ni relationship ya kina koi koi. Hii ni leo.
Okay. Does getting money change your taste?
Money? Okay, you see, in terms of change taste, we change together. Tunaona?
Na what if you change peke yako?
Siwezi, lazima ubebe mpoa wako.
Now what if you go out there and spend your money to some people, not me? I'm spending to some people, not me?
It depends, maybe friends. You know, you can spend some money with friends. It's allowed.
Okay, that's all. Okay, hi. I was in a vibe check with Charles, Bruno, and Ken. And mimi nitaanza tu na Charles. Ni Charles wetu aliingia, aliact tu so boring. Confidence yake ilikuwa so low. So it was a pass for me. So kwa yeye and I'm rate, maybe let's say 2 ama 1. Ilikuwa tu so boring. So the next person is Sodium. Sodium at least alikuwa poa, mwenye aliingia tu, confidence yake ilikuwa so good. I liked it and maybe tunimpea, so maybe 6. Yeah. Na Ken pia nampea, okay, I'll give it a 9. I don't have words. Nampea to 9. Then kuna Bruno. Yeah, me hakuna jani danganye, just a 4. That's all.